letting it glow.
Happy Glow Day! Happy Glow Day!
Red Cedar Elementary School is taking part in National Rock Your School Day by having a glow day for students.
Glow Day is a fun and active day that I've liked so far, and there's a lot of fun activities that I've done.
Everybody is just so excited for the school year, so it makes everybody really pumped for teaching. The teachers are really excited, all the kids are really excited for school, and it just makes everybody really happy here at Red Cedar.
Teachers transform their classrooms into glowing spaces.
They decorated a lot. They put a lot of strings and decorations in. They put a light in our classroom and it was shining everywhere.
And presented lessons to students in a fun, creative, and engaging way.
We've spent at least a month planning for this, so to see it all come together is fantastic. To see them walking down the hall this morning was crazy. The teachers were hyped, the kids were hyped, but coming in and doing the learning too is the most important part. And the kids were super on task today. They were super engaged, which is this type of thing that we're looking for. So it was exciting to see it all come together today.
Students took part in several glow-themed interactive science, math, and English activities.
We're soon going to make a lava lamp. There's a lot of mixing and pouring, and we were learning about solid liquids and gases and properties of matter.
We got to read with glow sticks, and plus we got to read in the lights, and it was just amazing, and I liked it.
The school hopes this was a memorable day for students.
We like to say we want to make it to home to the dinner table, so a day like this is going to get kids talking at home, and that's really what we want. We want them to come to school and be excited to learn. We want them to be engaged and do different things throughout the day.
Rock Your School Day is celebrated by more than 50,000 educators from schools across the nation. At Red Cedar Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.